Farmer, and I'm going to be your test site coordinator for Sylvan, Sarasota. You and I are going to be working closely this testing season, and I'm going to be scheduling and helping you to administer your state testing. A little bit about myself. This is my third year with FLCCA. I have previously taught algebra. This is my third year running the Sarasota test site, so I'm pretty familiar with it as well. At FLCCA, I am the high school master teacher, and I kind of take on a lot of other varying roles. I'm really excited that we're going to be working together. I know so many of you are returning to the test site, and I cannot wait to see you again. I'm so excited. I am going to be sharing my contact information with you over email as well as texting. I do use texting as my primary way of contacting learning coaches and students. If texting is not the most convenient method for you, just feel free to let me know. We can adjust that. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to text me, call me, email me. I am here for you. Can't wait to see you.